welcome back. Today I'm trying to remove this window, so I figured I will show you guys a quick tutorial on how to remove the windows. So as you can see, I have this horizontal bar that's supposed to go across it, and somehow the silicone got melted during the hot weather, so I need to fix it. That's what's the other side look like. So by the way, you want to unlock it if your window is locked, and you're gonna slide this open, and there's like on top right here, there's this rubber piece. You need to slide it, or else you cannot remove it. Let's go slide it to the right here. Now we could push the window upward and then get it off on the track. I need to use both my hands to get it out of the track. It's gonna dent it, the track. I don't want to do that. So all you need to do is push the window upward. Let me see if I can show you guys. Like that. And there's enough clearance. There you go. I got it out of the track. So now it's out of track. I can remove the window now. And hopefully I could push it upside down to fix it. If not, then this is the double panel. You need, it's gonna kind of a lot of work. You need to take out the frame, and the windows are glued together. I don't know why they designed like this. It's kind of dumb. Kind of hard for me to fix it. So yeah, there you have it. That's how you remove your windows. So if you don't remove this top rubber piece or the plastic piece, you can never get the window out. So on the bottom here is the wheel track. I believe some of those screws are holding the frame together, because there are 4 pieces, 2 on the top and bottom, and left and right hand side. And then there are 2 on the top, 1 on each corner, the screws. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.